Alright, hey, what's going on everybody? Ninja from above here. I just wanted to tell you guys why I haven't been streaming so much in the past few weeks. I've been pulling a lot of overtime at work. This is actually what I got. So I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a glimpse of where I'm at now, as opposed to the laptop that I had before. So I think I'll roll the clip. Alright, as you guys can see, I got the setup going on. It's actually really nice. This is the CyberpowerPC gaming desktop Gamer Master 2065 Ryzen 5 2nd Gen 2600 with 3.40 gigahertz, 8 gigabyte DDR4, 1 terabyte hard drive, 120 gigabyte solid state drive, NVIDIA Geforce GTX 1050 Ti with Windows 10 Home at 64-bit. Now, what I wanted to show you guys is this product is actually on Newegg right now. I actually bought it. It has the blue light, not the red light in the back. You do not make this yourself. It comes pre-built for $700. I actually got mine for $640 because it was a deal that was going on at the time that I bought it. It comes with a full RGB mouse and just a basic keyboard with lighting, obviously, as you saw in the video, and that's actually what it comes with, all for $700 pre-built. You don't have to put anything together. It comes this way. It comes with a 6-core processor, a 64-bit Ryzen 5. It's got 8 gigs DDR4, which is it's one stick of 8 gigs, so you can always put in, if you have a second stick, that'll obviously be compatible with the motherboard. We go ahead and put one of those in. You have 1 terabyte of hard drive, 120 gigabyte of SSD. You have your NVIDIA Geforce GTX 1050 Ti with Windows 10 Home already installed. The entirety of it comes just as one, but I put all of these items inside of a shopping cart to find out how much exactly it would cost to put all of these things together. And it was roughly around $900. So to get a deal, $200 off, and to actually have very great quality for videos and gaming and everything that you could ask for, at such a low price, is actually really nice. Now, I don't do optical disk drives, but if you did want an ODD, you can put one in. Obviously, it's a really plain case. If you wanted a nice case, you can just spend like $40, $50 more for an extra case that you would want. It comes with 2 fans, one in the front and one in the back. I have no problems with it whatsoever. The motherboard varies based on the different model that you get. They pick between 3 different motherboards, so it's really up to them, not up to us. What I'm going to do for you is I'm going to show you a little bit of the specs for it, because the website could say one thing and I could say another. Now I'm going to ruin it by playing this garbage on my computer. What we'll do is we'll run it on Epic, all Epic. We'll see what happens. So as you can see, it actually looks really good. We're running at 50 frames per second right now, so it's not 60. We're actually dropping into the lower 40s now. Still running at 40 to 50. We're consistently at that 40 to 50. I'm trying to see if Particle effects are definitely going to affect it a lot. Shots, enemies coming at us, that's all going to affect it a lot. So that's what I'm... Wow. Well, too bad I suck at this game. Okay. As you can see, the textures aren't bad. Doesn't look terrible. Actually looks quite good. I'm not noticing any type of lag. Still staying at about 40 frames, which I can't complain about. I can complain on my terrible gameplay. And I can't complain on this guy getting away, because that's my own damn fault. Wow. Never mind, no I can't. But as you can see, we're running at about 44 or 45 frames per second. So we can't be mad at that. Cannot be mad at that. We got somebody shooting at us that doesn't know how to shoot. Now he's throwing grenades because he doesn't know what else to do. And now I'm dead. Alright, now the particle effect definitely brought it down to a 34. That was the most fluctuation that we had in the game the entire time. Okay, so we ran it on epic. But how about high? Alright, so now we're running it on high. And it hasn't left 60 the entire time. Every single setting is on high right now. Once again, I'm going to try and land on a popular place. I actually just saw it fluctuate down to 57. So it's staying about 55 to 60 the entirety of the time, but the picture still looks great. There's no problem with this type of gameplay whatsoever. I'm going to try and land on a good weapon this time. Hopefully one that doesn't get me screwed. Whoa, hello. Yeah, that's what we do now. I suck. But as you can see, it never left 60. It stayed on 60 the entirety of the time. Now, this is when we find out what happens. Just for shits and gigs. Go ahead and put it on the auto quality. Basically, what it says that I should play on with my graphics card already installed. And I'll show you what you should look forward to. Now you can already tell that this packs a punch. I mean, yeah, we're running down into the 47, 49 frames per second, but look at how graphically inclined it is. I'm having no problems with any of the things going on inside game. Yeah, my frames have dropped down to 41. However, this is playable. I'm having absolutely zero issues with this. Other than I suck. Now I want to talk to you for a second just about where it's coming from. The actual seller is CyberpowerPC.com. Now I tried looking up the same exact PC that I bought, their GamerMaster 2065. When I search for it, it doesn't come up. It does not actually sell on the website. These guys actually do a fantastic job with bringing out fully built PCs. You don't have to build yourself, you can actually just buy from them. But that's going to be it for today, guys. I just want to let you know what was going on, what I was doing, why I was so busy. Still obviously fixing this area mess, but thank you for coming out, thank you for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and press the thumbs up button and subscribe for more content from in the future with my new rig. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you guys would like to know anything else, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you would like to know about this exact rig, because I can probably tell you. Anyway guys, I'll catch you in the next one.